Can you delete Instagram block list without unblock? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn on if we can delete Instagram block list without unblocking. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app and sign in. Navigate to profile at bottom right and select three bar menu icon at top right. On setting and activity section, scroll down. Look for the section of who can see your content and select blocked. Here you will see all the list of your blocked accounts. So here is no such feature from where we can easily delete this blocked section or the list without unblocking. So unfortunately, you need to note that Instagram doesn't allow you to delete your block list without unblocking users. There is no features that lets you clear the list in one go. What you can do alternative is simply you can unblock and only delete this blocked list. Even if you report this as feedback by going to the help or report problem, currently Instagram doesn't offer any solution for this request. So there is no way to delete the block list without unblocking each users. Instagram has designed in this way for privacy in security regions. I hope this clears up any confusion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.